everyone, I'm Vicky. Today we are going to crochet this Christmas bag. Let's see what will we need for this pretty bag. For this project, I'm using 6 PLY hand knitting yarn, a 52-hole peel back base and 2 detachable straps, a 3.5mm crochet hook, scissors and stitch markers, and a yarn needle. At first, we need to mark 4 holes on the base. We are going to start at the marker. Wrap the yarn around our left hand. Insert the crochet hook into the hole and pull through the yarn. Then chain 1, yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. Then go into the hole and pull through the yarn. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on the hook. Here is a single crochet. We need to work 3 single crochets in this hole. Then work 2 single crochets in each of the next 9 holes. Work 3 single crochets in the next hole. Then work 2 single crochets in each of the next 15 holes. Finish the rest part in the same way. Then join a slip stitch on the top of the first single crochet. Here is our first round. For round 2, chain 1 first, then work a single crochet in each stitch. A total of 108 single crochets. Then join a slip stitch on the top of the first single crochet. Here is our second round. Crochet round 3 through 5 in the same way. When we finish the 5th round, cut the yarn. And hook the tail end to the back. Then we are changing to the green yarn. Hook the yarn from the first stitch. Then chain 1. Work 3 single crochets in order. Then Then we are going to work a leaf stitch. Go into the second stitch in round 5 and pull through the yarn. Then go into the third stitch in round 4 and pull through the yarn. Then go into the fourth stitch in round 3 and pull through the yarn. Then go into the fifth stitch in round 4 and pull through the yarn. Then go into the sixth stitch in round 5 and pull through the yarn. We have 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through them all. Here is a leaf stitch. Then we need to find the fifth stitch in round 6. Work 5 single crochets in order. Then work a leaf stitch. Then work 5 single crochets in order. Then work a leaf stitch. Repeat the same pattern all the way round. Then work 2 single crochets in order. Join a slip stitch to end round 7. For rounds 8 to 10, work a single crochet in each stitch. We are changing to the white yarn in round 11. Chain 1. Then we need to find the second to last single crochet from the previous round. Go into this space and pull through the yarn. Then go into the space diagonally below it. Pull through the yarn. Then go into the space diagonally below it. Pull through the yarn. Then go into the space diagonally above it and pull through the yarn. Then go into the space diagonally above it and pull through the yarn. Yarn over and pull through the 6 loops on the hook. Then work 5 single crochets in order. Then work a leaf stitch. Then work 5 single crochets in order. Repeat the same pattern all the way round. Then join a slip stitch. For rounds 12 to 14, work a single crochet in each stitch. We continue crocheting using the same method as the previous 8 rounds until round 42. You can continue crocheting if you need a larger bag. Then crochet 2 more rounds of single crochet to complete the back body. Finally, install the 2 straps, and I added a Christmas ornament. If you want to learn how to crochet it, I'll see you in this video.